Hello guys, today I want to talk about the CLT strategy that I shared before, and I had my probabilities that this PT coin is going to sell. So if you haven't reached my last video, you can follow up and listen to it. Yeah, I tried to explain this CLT for the bullish, and I showed you that PT coin has been on an uptrend. We have been having on break of structure, a retest buys, break of structure, retest buys. So this was our last resistance zone for the weekly, and we predicted that maybe the market's going now to drop and retest at this resistance before going back for more buys. And for that, I tried to look at my CRT. I tried now to look the weekly time frame for the CRT. So I marked my candle range row for the weekly and the current candle range high for the weekly. So at this green bullish candle that broke the resistance zone. Now when I made my last video, it was last week when this red candle was being formed. When this red candle was being formed, the bearish candlestick. So what I was waiting is to see if this red candle is going to cross with the body above my candle range high for the weekly or cross below. So if it was going to cross above my candle range high with the body, my setup was going to be invalid for the sales. But since now the candlestick managed to cross below my candle range high, so I was now going to look for sales. And now since the market managed to cross, this candlestick managed to cross below my range, so I went to lower time frame to look for entries so that I can target my last resistance zone or the previous resistance zone. Then our last TP will be at our candle range low for the weekly. So, and I said there before, the market might retrace back to around 108. If it reverses from this resistance zone, it tests this resistance zone and start having buys, well and good. But we will be keenly observing if the market breaks this again resistance, it will be coming to the last or to our candle range row for the weekly. So if I go to daily, time frame, you can see how I managed to look for this setup. If we can go to daily, you can see. So we managed to have that liquidity sweep for the weekly before that last candlestick for the weekly crossed below my candle range high. Then from there I went back and looked for entries from around this zone. Then my stop loss was above my candle range high, some few pips above my candle range high for the weekly. So from there, when we entered, boom, the market dropped nicely. So that's for CLT. And again and again I can see another nice setup from this zone. You can see this is my last resistance zone, red, green followed by red. This was my last resistance zone for the daily time frame. Then we have the green and the red. So at this area, I have a double top for this zone. This is my double top for the daily time frame, and I can see this is my support area. This is the area that the market has retested thrice, the first, second, thrice. So we can see once the market is going again to cross below the support, the market will continue selling to this zone. So I can see this is my double top, this is my support. Once the market breaks the support, it's going to drop back to this zone. At the same time, you can see the M structure. This is M structure. What happens when this zone is broken? We wait for a retest, then the market drops to this zone. Yeah, there are so many setups. So many setups that are coming up from this Chastica zone. We have seen the CLT, we have seen the double top pattern, we have seen the M structure pattern. So let's wait patiently and see what will happen. The market is dropping. Yeah guys, cheers and see you on the next video. Remember to follow me for free setups, for free updates, and free setups for the pairs that I do trade. If you have any comment, just comment below and comment your views, your strategies. Here we share strategy and setups for free. Remember to follow me guys. Bye bye.